Hi everyone, this video is being posted on Tuesday, March 29th, 2022. I'm coming to you from inside the Health Science Center here on campus. I am Dr. Kellyn Williams, the Associate Vice President of Special Programs. Today I'm filling in for Dr. Katie, who's unavailable because she's off getting her original 1979 Sony Walkman appraised to sell. At least that's what I've been told. Congratulations to the Career Services team for organizing last week's very successful Alumni and Student Career Fair, where we welcomed over 80 employers to campus. This past Saturday's in-person open house was also a huge success. Congratulations to the faculty, staff, and especially the enrollment team. It was very exciting to see so many potential students and their families on campus interacting with our team. As I mentioned earlier, I am the Associate Vice President of Special Programs here at the college. Our department oversees special community-facing programs. We also work with industry and the community on various projects, such as our after-school STEM programming, STEM summer camps, and industry programs. We are already enrolling students into programs launching this fall, including the Pre-Employment Transition Program, also known as PETS. This program is open to individuals using the services of the Office of Vocational Rehabilitation and are interested in receiving training and employment at Kellyn Logistics. For more information about PETS, visit our website at johnson.edu. We are also enrolling people into the next Readiness and Skilled Employment, or RISE program. RISE is a unique workforce development program created to give residents of Lackawanna and Luzerne counties the ability to obtain technical training while accessing additional supports to remove any barriers that stand in their way of starting a new career. Staff from Johnson College and the United Neighborhood Centers of Northeastern Pennsylvania have developed a unique curriculum that is a blend of soft skills, technical skills, life skills, and career skills. This curriculum will produce well-rounded individuals ready to make a difference in our region. Attend our next virtual information session on April 6th at 2 p.m. For more information can be found at risenepa.org. Now, for my final note of the week. As I started here at the college in 2017, I watched students on campus for the first time unsure of themselves. Then, in 2 short years, these same students walk across the stage at commencement, confidence in themselves and in the skills they learned, and their ability to become an essential part of the world's workforce. It is an honor to be a small part of their life's journey. That's it for this week's Presidential Update video from inside the Health Science Center. I am Dr. Kellyn Williams. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, be well, and have a great week.